Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Chinmay Patkar and today we'll be talking about the symptoms and treatment of PCOS. PCOS is primarily a disorder of the female reproductive system where eggs produced by the ovaries are not produced or not released properly, which causes a variety of symptoms that affects the overall health of the individual. It is important to detect this early and get the right treatment for the same to avoid complications of PCOS. So what are the symptoms that are normally seen in PCOS? Number one is irregular or prolonged menstrual cycle. Like I said earlier, because the eggs are not released or not produced properly due to small fluid-filled sacs called cysts in the ovaries, there can be irregular menstrual cycle. Number two is hirsutism, which is abnormal hair growth, especially on the chest, on the abdomen, the back or the arms. Number three is acne or oily skin. Because of hormonal disbalance, you do see patients suffering from increased acne, especially on the face and neck, chest and back area. Number four is weight gain. Most patients with PCOS tend to be slightly overweight and obese. Number five is male pattern baldness. Most females with PCOS experience hair thinning or a male pattern baldness on their scalp. Number six is infertility. Due to irregular prolonged menstrual cycle, due to interference with ovulation, patients with PCOS tend to suffer from infertility. Number seven is skin darkening, especially due to insulin resistance and also a tendency to develop type 2 diabetes. Patients with PCOS tend to have skin darkening, especially in the neck, groin, the armpit area. And finally, number 8, that are skin tags. They are tiny flaps of extra skin that get developed in patients with PCOS, especially in the neck region and in the armpits. Now, knowing that you have all of these symptoms associated with PCOS, it is extremely important in case if you have one or more of these symptoms to get the right help. It is also important to understand the scope of treatment of PCOS. What is the treatment if you ask? Primarily, PCOS can be treated or controlled with a well-nutritious diet and a healthy lifestyle. So having a nutritious diet which is low in calorie, keeping away from habits such as smoking, definitely help control the symptoms and the other complications of PCOS. Apart from that, there are always medical interventions present and they primarily depend on in case you want to get pregnant or not. In case you do not want to get pregnant, medical intervention or tablets can be given, especially which are the birth control pills, and it can be prescribed by your treating physician. If you experience one or more of the symptoms that we have discussed today in this video, do reach out to us. We'll help you understand PCOS better and get the right treatment at the right time.